The iPhone 17 Pro Max is more than just another iteration in Apple's iconic smartphone lineage. It's a revolutionary leap into the future of mobile technology. While the tech world has grown accustomed to yearly updates with modest performance gains, the iPhone 17 Pro Max breaks that cycle by offering a paradigm shift in design, hardware innovation, AI integration, camera technology, and user experience. If you thought Apple had peaked with the iPhone 15 or even the 16 Pro Max, the 17 Pro Max will make you rethink everything. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll break down all the confirmed, rumored, and exclusive features of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, analyze what makes it stand out, and explain why this upgrade may be the most important one in recent years. Apple is reportedly reinventing its premium phone design philosophy. After the success of titanium in the iPhone 15 Pro series, Apple is planning a more advanced liquid metal alloy that's lighter than titanium but even stronger. The chassis is expected to be more ergonomic, with a curved back and ultra-thin bezels that make the phone feel even more immersive. Apple is said to be introducing 3 new finishes. Graphene Black, a darker, matte black that absorbs light. Sapphire Blue, with a glass crystal shimmer. Arctic White, a pearl-like finish with nano-texture coating. These new materials are not just about looks. They're more scratch-resistant, heat-dispersing, and environmentally friendly thanks to Apple's increased sustainability efforts. Forget standard OLED and LTPO refresh rate tech. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to feature an AI-enhanced LTPO OLED 3.0 display with the following specs. 6.9-inch ProMotion Plus screen. Adaptive refresh rate from 1 Hz to 144 Hz. Dynamic Eye Comfort AI adjusts color, warmth, and brightness based on your fatigue and ambient lighting. Peak brightness up to 3000 nits for HDR and outdoor usage. 20% thinner bezels, with a screen-to-body ratio close to 95%. This is Apple's most immersive screen ever, engineered not just to show pixels, but to respond to your environment, reduce eye strain, and adjust color depth using neural learning. At the heart of the iPhone 17 Pro Max lies the Apple A19 Pro chip, built on a 2nm TSMC process, a world first in smartphones. Key upgrades. 45% faster CPU performance compared to the A17 Pro. 60% more GPU power, with ray tracing support for console-grade graphics. Neural Engine 4X, capable of 85 trillion operations per second. Battery efficiency boost, up to 35% better thermal and energy management. The A19 Pro isn't just about brute force, it's designed with AI at its core. Everything from camera processing to on-device Siri, live translation, smart notifications, and contextual app launching runs seamlessly thanks to Apple's latest neural processing architecture. The iPhone 17 Pro Max launches with iOS 19, Apple's most ambitious software release yet. iOS 19 is not just a visual upgrade, it introduces AI-driven enhancements across the board. Core features. Siri 2.0, powered by on-device Apple Intelligence, it now understands context, follow-up commands, and can summarize content across apps. Live App Multitasking, true split-screen capability.